Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to install MongoDB on Windows. Okay, initially we can search MongoDB, install MongoDB on Windows, and you'll get this link. Okay, so here if you see the below, you'll get the download center link. So click on it. You'll get this available downloads window where you can select the version, whichever version you want. I'm taking the current version, and whichever platform you want to install, you can select the platform. Different platforms are there like Ubuntu, Red Hat Linux, so many platforms are there. You'll get this from MongoDB, any help you want. Okay, have selected Windows, and here we will have a zip format you want to download, or MSI is a type of installation. You can click on this, and you can click on download. It will automatically download for you. Yeah, it will take time depending on your internet speed. Okay guys, it got downloaded, and will open in the folder where it is downloaded. Okay, here you have to double click it. It is preparing to install. Click on next, accept the license, and you select the complete, and keep it this install MongoDB as service checked, and keep it the default radio button of run service as a network service user. Okay, and here it is created two directory. One is data directory, one is log directory. Okay, so all the logs will keep on saved on here, this path, and the data will be saved here. Okay, now go for the next. Okay, here we have one more component, which is MongoDB Compass, which is a UI where you can view all the documents, collection of documents and databases as a UI of MongoDB Compass. Okay, so please check it, let it be. Okay, and click on install. So here if you see, all this is the settings of MongoDB Compass, how it is there. So you can just go through all these things: schema validations, CRUD operations, how it exactly it can be used. Okay, then you can close it. Now you see MongoDB Compass, you can click on it. It will open the UI. You can close this. Okay, start using MongoDB with all checked. Enable product feedback tool, enable geographic visualization, enable crash reports, enable usage statistics, enable automatic updates. Everything let it be checked, and start using Compass. Okay, and if you click on connect, let's see what happens. Okay, it is connected, so it's working fine. And let's see how to work with shell, how to start connecting from shell, right? Okay, go to command prompt. Okay, so you can select anywhere we'll go for C folder. We'll see where it is installed. We can search for MongoDB. Is it there? Not there. Okay, go here. Is it there? Yes, it is there. Okay, here inside the bin folder you can start entering cmd. Okay, so here if you type mongo, the shell should open. Yes, it is connected. And if you want to see how many databases are there, you can write show dbs. You will get admin config local. These three databases are there, and it got connected from the shell. Okay, so same thing which got connected here you are seeing in the shell command prompt, and here with the beautiful UI. So here you can create the database of your type. Like if I want to create, let's create database, a test database and a test collection. Okay, so create the database, it is created. Okay, now if you say use show.dbs, it will show test database as well. Okay, so this is how we can install MongoDB on Windows 10 OS. Okay, if you have any doubts you can write in the comment section. Thank you for watching this channel. Have a good day. I will come up with more videos. Bye.